Imagine a world where machines can learn like humans, analyzing patterns and making predictions. That's the power of artificial intelligence. Now, picture a digital ledger, distributed across multiple computers, recording every transaction with unfaltering accuracy. That's the essence of blockchain. These two revolutionary technologies are transforming our digital world, particularly in the realm of cybersecurity. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, is like a vigilant sentinel, constantly learning and adapting to new threats. It can detect anomalies, identify malware, and even predict cyber attacks before they happen. Blockchain, on the other hand, acts as an impenetrable fortress, safeguarding our data with its decentralized and encrypted nature. Every piece of information stored on a blockchain is cryptographically secured, making it nearly impossible to tamper with. The convergence of AI and blockchain presents a powerful synergy for enhancing cybersecurity. While AI acts as the proactive defender, identifying and mitigating threats, blockchain provides the unbreachable foundation for secure data storage and transactions. As we navigate an increasingly interconnected world, understanding these technologies and their implications for cybersecurity is paramount. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we approach cybersecurity. Think of AI as a digital detective, constantly analyzing network traffic for suspicious activity. It can sift through mountains of data, identifying patterns and anomalies that would escape human analysts. This ability to detect threats in real time makes AI an invaluable asset in the fight against cybercrime. One of the key strengths of AI in cybersecurity is its ability to learn and adapt. As AI algorithms are exposed to more data, they become better at recognizing and responding to threats. This constant learning process allows AI to stay one step ahead of cybercriminals, who are constantly developing new and sophisticated attack methods. Moreover, AI can automate many of the tasks traditionally performed by human security analysts. This not only frees up human experts to focus on more complex threats, but also reduces the risk of human error. From detecting malware to identifying phishing attempts, AI is playing an increasingly important role in keeping our digital lives safe. Imagine a digital vault, distributed across a network of computers where every transaction is recorded and verified by multiple parties. That's the power of blockchain. This revolutionary technology is transforming the way we think about data security, offering an unparalleled level of trust and transparency. At its core, blockchain is a distributed ledger technology. This means that instead of being stored in a single location, a blockchain is copied and distributed across a network of computers. This decentralized nature makes blockchain incredibly secure. To alter a single record, a hacker would have to compromise a majority of the network, a task that is practically impossible. Furthermore, every transaction on a blockchain is cryptographically secured. This means that each transaction is encrypted and linked to the previous one, creating an unbreakable chain of records. This immutability of data ensures that any information stored on a blockchain is tamper-proof, making it an ideal solution for securing sensitive data. Section 4. AI versus blockchain, a synergy for enhanced security. While AI and blockchain offer distinct advantages in cybersecurity, their true potential lies in their synergy. Imagine a world where AI's predictive power is combined with blockchain's unbreachable security. This potent combination could revolutionize the way we protect our digital assets. AI can be used to enhance the security of blockchain networks by identifying and mitigating potential vulnerabilities. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze blockchain data for suspicious activity, flagging potential threats before they can cause any damage. Conversely, blockchain can provide a secure and transparent platform for storing and sharing AI models, preventing tampering and ensuring data integrity. The intersection of AI and blockchain opens up a world of possibilities for enhancing cybersecurity. From secure data storage to real-time threat detection, these technologies complement each other, creating a formidable defense against cyber attacks. Section 5. The future of cybersecurity, a collaborative landscape. As our world becomes increasingly interconnected, the importance of robust cybersecurity measures cannot be overstated. AI and blockchain, with their unique strengths, are poised to play pivotal roles in shaping the future of cybersecurity. AI will continue to evolve, becoming even more sophisticated in its ability to detect and respond to threats. We can expect to see AI systems that can anticipate and thwart attacks before they even occur. Blockchain, on the other hand, will continue to gain traction as a secure and transparent platform for storing and sharing sensitive data. Ultimately, the future of cybersecurity lies in collaboration. By harnessing the power of AI and blockchain, and by fostering collaboration between governments, businesses, and individuals, we can create a safer and more secure digital world.